I'm being suppressed. Oh, I'm being suppressed.
Dude, there's no one even over here.
No, he's over there. He's shooting this direction.
I don't see anyone.
Hit! Hit!
Dude, there's literally no one over here. That was just my gunfire. You weren't hit.
No, see, it's right there. I got
Dude, there's no well.
Got it.
Oh,
Oh!
now there's a well. This is so fun. I don't even know anymore. Grenade.
Out.
Grenade. Ah! Gotcha!
Hit. I need ammo. I need ammo. I need ammo! Ammo!
What? Ammo. You need what?
Ammo.
Ammo?
Ammo.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I did.
Here. There's your ammo.
Finally, a grenade. Yes.
Dude, are you serious? Be quiet.
Got you, bud. Hi guys, I'm Catfish Rule.
And I'm Chinzilla Gaming.
We really like to thank you guys for all the support you've been giving us for these videos, and please let us know what we can do better or what we did bad. Tell us what we missed, what we can add into the next videos.
And if you guys did like the video, please leave a like below. And if you haven't seen our Airsoft Stereotypes 1 or 2, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can watch that. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.